Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture on Notion. If you want to personalize your Notion account and make it easier for others to recognize you in shared workspaces, updating your profile picture is a quick and simple thing to do. The process only takes a moment, and once you upload a new image, the change will usually appear right away across your account. To get started, look at the top left corner of your Notion screen. Right next to your workspace name, you'll see a drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on that menu to open the available options. This is where Notion gives you access to different workspace and account-related settings. From that drop-down, select Settings, or in some versions, you may see Settings and Members. Don't worry if the wording is slightly different on your screen, because both options will take you to the area where you can manage your account details. Once the Settings window opens, take a moment to look over the sidebar on the left-hand side. In that sidebar, select your account name or click on My Account if that's the option shown in your version of Notion. This section is where your personal profile information is stored, including your avatar, which is the image tied to your account. If you are in multiple workspaces, this is an important distinction, because you want to make sure you are editing your personal account settings rather than a workspace setting. At the top of the profile settings, you'll see your current avatar. If you haven't added one before, it may just show your initials as a placeholder. Click directly on that image or placeholder area. This tells Notion that you want to update the picture associated with your profile. After that, a file selection window will appear, allowing you to browse your computer or device for the image you want to use. Find the image file you'd like to upload, select it, and then click Open. As soon as you do that, Notion will apply the new profile picture, and the changes should sync instantly. If you don't see the update immediately, give it a second or refresh the page. But in most cases it appears right away. For the best result, choose a clear image that looks good even at a small size, since profile pictures are often displayed as small icons. And that's it. You've successfully changed your profile picture on Notion.